If you have a Toyota, Subaru, Chrysler, Jeep, or newer GM vehicle, you're probably going to realize they require a 2 3/4 inch speaker up front. Kicker has the perfect solution. We have the KSC270. This is going to be a factory replacement. It has 3 different mounting adapters to ensure that it's going to fit in any of those vehicles, and the speaker is going to sound great and last for years to come. Mounting the Kicker KSC270 is very simple. You have 2 different 2 3/4 inch mounts depending on what vehicle you have. You also have a 3.5 inch adapter. This is the Jeep adapter. This is the GM Chrysler adapter. This is the Subaru and Toyota adapter. If you're going to be wiring the speaker in series or parallel with another set of speakers and you need to block the bass, we include this awesome little bass blocker. It's going to block frequencies from 250 Hz and lower to ensure the bass is not going to damage this small little driver. As you have just seen, the Kicker KSC270 is a perfect choice for replacing your factory 2 3/4 inch speakers. Be sure you check out your local authorized dealer either in person or online and try a set of these today. I'm sure you're going to love them.